It is Wednesday, 12/29/21. The year is almost over, you guys, which means new candles, new yearly candle, new quarterly candle, new monthly, new weekly. We'll look at all of that later on this weekend for our weekend update. It'll be a big one. But for now, we have to look at what's going on this week. So far, not really doing anything. That's good for the bulls, because if we were to get under certain levels in the ES, I do believe the 4740 would close underneath that. That keeps the bearish scenario alive. If we stay floating above, then I think the bulls are in charge. So, okay. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that options tender logo, and subscribe. We got lots of good information on this channel, and please like the videos. It helps out. It helps us get the algorithms shaking and moving and helping other traders out. So today I want to look at, while we're so slow, I want to look at AMD, ticker AMD, and then Advanced Micro Devices. That's the name of the company. And I'll show you the breadth today is, looking a little, we're talking about this in the options guy room. And I'll just show you, I use, to get a look at what's happening in the market, we use Trin for the NYC volume advanced decline. We use the tick here to see what's happening internally with the market, to see if we're in the bulls or bears. I'm not going to describe all this. I have a video for market breadth if you're interested in learning about them, but we have the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the NYSE advanced decline there as well. And yes, we do take a look at, is the VIX perky? We look at all the indices, what's happening underneath with Bitcoin, our risk monitor, our bonds shifting the market. Look how bonds are down today. So it's, when, let's go to TNX, that's the rate. So if bonds are down, rates are up, which means that's bad for tech. Because it's a larger move, it should have an effect, and it's having a little bit. And then you could see, well, how come the indicators aren't working? Then you can look down at the monsters of tech here. We have XLK with Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon. It gets you a little point of view what's going on underneath there, which they can drag the whole market down themselves. So I just want to give you a quick overview of what we're looking at each and every day, especially in the first half an hour of the market, to see if these internals are strong or weak, and if they shift rapidly. That's also something to look at. Okay, so let's just do a quick review of the market. We have ES on the daily. We had this pause candle, potential reversal candle, and we're in an inside day at this point. So the bulls still favor the win here. We had a breakout from the ascending triangle, which leads us to almost 5,000 S&P points. If this thing continues to grind up, which we're positive, we're over the 8 EMA, 20, 50, 100, 200. So very, very bullish at this point. We could just be working some time off the clock, letting the 8 EMA catch up. So everything favors the bulls at this point. So we'll continue to monitor this each and every day. So don't forget to hit that notification button, so that way you can get these videos every time that they come out. You can get an update on that. Let's check out NQ. Just a quick visual of that. Really, it's the same thing. We had a little bit of follow through from this reversal candle, but held important support. So that's a key level there at about 16,400. We're looking to see if we break underneath there. And then we have our moving averages below. RTY, small caps. Now we're looking for that WXY still. We had our huge move down, possible wave 2 or B retracement to the 50%, and now looking for the ABC, but got a little follow through from this reversal candle, pushing back off the 200 and the 100 moving averages, but held on the 8 EMA. So it's going to be a battle here. We're going to be squeezed in between here. Things might not even happen until the end of the year, you guys. So we might grind this whole time. So, we'll be on our guard. We have our alerts up, and we'll just keep it at that. We're not going to waste our time staring at the screen. But we did want to look at AMD today. And just to give you a quick view, this isn't a thorough analysis of it, but just give you a quick view from the weekly. Very strong chart. I mean, just holding this trend huge. Now, this trend line was held for a long time, right about here, broke down from the trend and back testing it and came back over it, as a matter of fact. But now that we made new highs, we like to move it to the next pivot, excuse me. And so holding this very strong, almost linear move here, 1, 2, still in this primary wave 3, and possible intermediate wave 4 pullback at this point. So that's where we'll look on the daily. We do have a monthly MACD. We're well into the bullish area on the monthly, weekly, and on the daily, we made a cross back over. So at this point, with this wave 3 being done to wave 4, it looks as if we have an expanding ending diagonal here, where this is a 1, 2, a larger wave 3 has to be larger than 1, 4, wave 4 has to be larger than 2, it is. And then 5, which 5 has to be larger than 3, that has to be larger than 1. So I already measured those out. We're looking good. Now that would mean that we're ending a higher degree wave 1, or we could be doing a 1, 2, but we'll see how this correction is going to happen at this point. So after this initial move down, looks like a 3-wave move down, corrective, and then a move back up to the 78.6 retracement, and quickly rejected off there. And to me, this could end up being a flat. The rule of alternation just says in Elliott wave theory that let's go over to the yellow. I don't think we can see it on this. Let's go back to the weekly. That the move will not be identical for wave 4 and wave 2. So this is wave 1 into wave 2, massive move, quick down. Looks like it's some sort of diagonal, and so I don't believe we will get a diagonal this time. We should be looking for something like a triangle or flat pattern. So we have our initial move down, 3-wave move back up to 786, which is not unusual for a flat, but this could, so in other words, this could be an A, B, and then we'll see if we can get a C wave, or if this is a 1, 2, and then start an impulsive wave 3 down and see what we get from there. So this is a complex correction at this point. So we don't know what we're going to get. We're going to have to let this play out. These are difficult to play, but for now, we're holding the 8 EMA, not looking good candle wise, but we are above there. So we have to get the benefit of doubt to the bulls at this point. So just wanted to give a quick update on that. We're holding strong in the trend. Maybe we'll come test this trend line. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just go sideways for some time until we catch up to the moving averages and also to this trend line and start working our way to the upside. You see how AMD has definitely trended sideways for some time. Maybe we do that again. Okay, so we'll keep on monitoring this. We'll set our alerts for AMD to see how we could end up playing this, looking for setups. And I definitely like this setup here to the downside, but it's already started playing through, so we're not going to chase that. We missed the setup. And that's it, you guys. Just wanted to give an update. Hope this helps out. Make sure you like that button. And if you want to follow my IRA plays, you can join our Patreon. It's one way to do it. So thanks. Have a great day.